if I don't have 175 subscribers. But can you please rank me into YouTube ranked? Okay, thank you. I will show you how to get this, guys, for you in this video. I don't know this is obtainable, guys, but I know it's obtainable. So let's drop into that video. Go to zone 5. To get it. You can see I teleport. So wait. To get this badge, go to this purple planet, purple Saturn. It's known as purple Saturn. So I'm going in, guys. So maybe this is it. I don't know, guys. Is this it or am I wrong? What if this is not the one? Then sorry, guys. And sorry to you too, owner of the game. So bye, guys.